In a crucial step to give more wings to India's evolving drone policy, the Director General of Civil Aviation has got the NOD from Finance Ministry to set up a dedicated drones directorate. The sole focus of the directorate will be on the managing of India's drones ecosystem. Previously, our Honorable Joint Secretary of MOCA, Shri Ambar Dubey, once mentioned the directorate had been established with 8 DGCA officials to begin with and will be expanded with time. This was a pleasant surprise since under COVID-19 austerity measures, the formation of any new government department is being discouraged, unless really important. One more baby step towards making India the drone capital of the world. But it was unclear who the 8 members of the department are when finally in the mid-December of 2020, DGCA has unleashed 8 names of the officials including Mr. R.P. Kashyap as the director of the Indian Drones Directorate. Following are the members of Drones Directorate: Hillol Biswas, Director, Aircraft Engineer; K. Thulasi Raman, Deputy Director, Aircraft Engineer; Manish Gupta, Assistant Director, Aircraft Engineer; Yogendra Kumar, Assistant Director, Airworthiness; Ajay Pal Ogre, Operations Officer; Praveen Kumar Singh, Aeronautical Officer. Already DGCA has started to roll out no permission, no takeoff support, managed drone training schools and approves third-party drone certification scheme to fast-track drone certification in the country, providing quick exemptions to bodies who work for COVID-19 pandemics, agricultural sectors and many more. So we hope this enthusiasm in work keeps continuing, which will make steps easier for India to become the next drone hub of the world. We hope that you have liked our video. Do like and share our video and do not forget to subscribe our Drone Helpline YouTube channel.